Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. On careful consideration of the valuable suggestions given by the courts below, learned amicus curiae and the counsels for the parties, the order dated 18 September 2014 is modified and the modified directions are as under. Para. Matrimonial jurisdiction is of a special nature and deserves a special attention. Stop. Lengthy trial in matrimonial proceedings is uncalled for and contrary to the spirit of Hindu Marriage Act. Stop. The affidavit of assets, income and expenditure of both the parties are necessary to determine the rights of the parties under sections 24 to 27 of the Hindu Marriage Act and therefore should be filed by both the parties at the very threshold in order to curb the delay and expedite the trial in terms of section 21B of the Hindu Marriage Act. Stop. Applying the aforesaid principles laid down in section 10 within bracket 3 of the Family Courts Act 1984, read with section 165 of the Indian Evidence Act relating to the duty of the court to ascertain the truth and the duty of the parties to disclose their income under section 106 of the Indian Evidence Act. This court has formulated the format of the affidavit of assets, income and expenditure attached to this order as Annexure A, which shall form part of this judgment. Stop. The documents required to be filed along with the affidavit are prescribed in the format of the affidavit. Stop. All pleadings including petitions under sections 9 to 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act and the written statement shall be accompanied with an affidavit of assets, income and expenditure in the format provided in Annexure A and shall be accompanied by the relevant documents mentioned therein. Stop. If the petitioner claims maintenance, application under section 24 should be filed along with the petition. Stop. However, if respondent claims maintenance, the application under section 24 along with the affidavit of assets, income and expenditure in the format provided in Annexure A along with the response to the petitioner's affidavit should be filed within 30 days of the service of the notice. Stop. The response to the respondent's affidavit of assets, income and expenditure be filed by the petitioner within 2 weeks thereafter and the case be listed for disposal of the application under section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act. Stop. If the parties are unable to file their response within 2 weeks, court may suitably extend the time period upon sufficient cause being shown. Stop. The court may also call upon the parties of to file such an affidavit in pending cases of maintenance if the parties have not already disclosed their true income. Stop. Para 33 and 35 of the order dated 18 September 2014 are modified to the extent that the parties shall file the affidavit of their assets, income and expenditure in format provided in Annexure A instead of the affidavit prescribed in Puneet Kaur versus Indrajit Sahani within bracket Supra. Stop. There may be cases where one of the spouse has sufficient means of sustenance and therefore the application under section 24 is not warranted at the initial stage. Over.